Hey friends, Mike Mooney here, and welcome back. I hope you're well. I want to share with you a powerful strategy to build, strengthen, and even repair your reputation. That's right, your reputation, one of your greatest assets. We're living in a time when our reputations have never been as valuable, yet fragile and vulnerable because of how hyper connected we are in this world. So here it is. Here's this two-step process that I want to share with you that you can put into play today. The first is starting with this premise that we earn our reputations every single day. So start your day and visualize, make the choice of how you're going to engage with the world around you. Will you choose to engage it from the outside in a reactive way where the circumstances and the people and the scenarios are going to influence and drive your emotions, which then drive your behavior? Or will you choose to act from the inside out, which is starting by being grounded with your core values and choosing how you want to interact, engage, and operate in the world around us? That's active, proactive living and making a conscious choice. Once you've gone through that in your day, at the end of the day, step two is reflect on this question. What did I earn today? Going back to the premise, we earn our reputations every single day. Well, then what did I earn today? Reflect on your interactions with people. Reflect on how you chose to engage. Did you let the outside drive your emotions, or did your values influence the emotions that then drove your behavior? So there you go. Two steps. Start your day with that. Visualize how you're going to engage with the world. Second, ask yourself and reflect, what did I earn today? Again, friends, your reputation speaks for you when you aren't there to speak for yourself. So make sure it's saying the right thing. As always, cheers and keep digging.